Hey, good morning, guys. We are making some breakfast this morning and we're trying to eat like a little bit more healthy. So, we're trying to include a little bit more vegetables into what we make. And one of the things that we found that we really enjoy and goes great with eggs and rice and bacon and things like that is a cucumber avocado salad. So, I'm going to show you guys how to make it. And please don't judge me for my knife choice. Like, I realize like this is not a proper like knife for all situations, but I don't know. I don't like the big knives. So this is what I'm going to be using. But make sure all your vegetables are rinsed off really good because even though it looks like it's clean in the store, I promise you it's not. So get it rinsed really good. I've got everything I need here, some cherry tomatoes, cucumber, some lemon, we're going to need that at the end, avocado, and then onion for a little bit of flavor there. So, all right, awesome. Let's get started. All right, now that these are cut up, I'm just gonna give them a good mix together. And then I am going to start on the onion. So I have a partial onion here that we used with another dish, so I'm actually only going to use maybe half of this because I don't want it to be too overpowering in the overall salad. You just want like a little bit of extra hint of flavor without it taking over the whole entire dish. So at this point, I am going to actually salt and pepper what I already have before I add the avocado because I don't want to squish the avocado too much into this. So just kind of use your best judgment. Pepper, classic. Oh, looks pretty good to me. Time for the avocado. Whoa. Okay, last but not least, we've got our lemon. You don't have to use lemon for this. I've done it without it before, but it definitely adds a little something to it. So I'm just going to use a little bit. We're going to squeeze that right into this bowl. Would you look at that? That doesn't suck, does it? Now I'm just going to cover it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so it can be nice and chilled when we are ready to eat our breakfast. Trying something new here, guys. Appreciate it so much. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Always appreciate when you do. And I hope you're having an amazing weekend. Okay, now I'm going to make a fruit salad in honor of us trying to eat a little bit healthier and have some fresh options. I've got pears, I've got peaches, watermelons, some leftover grapes that need to get eaten up, a couple oranges, and also some watermelon spears. We don't buy like the full watermelons because it's just two of us. It's going to go bad. And honestly, it's just so convenient to have this already cut for you like that. And then banana. Get to wash your fruits, kids. I'm actually not even 100% sure how to cut a pear, to be totally honest. I'm sure you can tell immediately. But again, I can get the job done. Okay, success. Now we're going to work on that peach. Okay, peach time. Right now I'm just going to use these leftover grapes, and I'm going to use them all. I know there's quite a few here, but these are going to go bad soon if I don't just use them anyway, so may as well make good use of them. Not looking too bad, is it? Time for the watermelon. Well, I got out 3 spears, but I think 2 will do it. Okay. Onto the banana. And for the final touch, a couple oranges. All right, guys, that's it. Beautiful. I will be enjoying this. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Really appreciate you. Like, share, and subscribe. Always appreciate when you do. And I hope you are enjoying your weekend as much as I am. Back to the grind tomorrow. Okay, we're on to phase 3. This is the bacon. So I'm heating up my pan right now. It is feeling like it's almost hot enough to put everything in. I am going to start placing some strips in here, and I'm going to make all of it because if I only make partial of it, for some reason we just set it in the fridge, forget about it, it goes bad, we can't use it. So there's better chances of it all getting eaten if I cook it all right now.